Welcome to Health Hive. Belly Fat Buster Challenge. Unveiling the secrets to a slimmer waist. Our first secret to a slimmer waist is proper nutrition. Cut out processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy snacks. Fuel your body with nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Incorporate short bursts of intense exercises, followed by brief periods of rest. Not only will this skyrocket your metabolism, but it will also target that stubborn belly fat. After every set of these training exercises, you need to rest for 10 seconds. Now let's start the training program for belly fat. The first training exercise is: start by gentle stretching, which will assist in waking the core muscles up. Exercise number 1. Standing A-flat kicks. Place your hands on your hips and stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keeping your left foot on the ground, raise your right knee to your chest. Kick straight with your right leg out in front of you. Returning to the beginning position, extend your right leg. Make the motion again with your left leg. You can do 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Exercise number 2. Jumping jacks. Legs should be straight and arms should be at your sides. Jump into the air while gently bending your knees. Spread your legs out so they are roughly shoulder width apart as you jump. Over your head, extend your arms. Return to your starting position. Repeat. You can do 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Exercise number 3. Leg tuck-ins. Once your hips and knees are 90 degrees apart, lift your feet off the ground. Focus on the amount of pressure the abdominals exert on the fingers as you contract your abs while keeping your head off the floor. The legs should be gradually straightened while keeping the same amount of pressure applied. Can do 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Exercise number 4. Cross crunches. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions of cross crunches. Depending on your ability to maintain proper technique throughout, choose your sets and repetitions. On an exercise mat, lie face up with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Without interlocking your fingers, place both of your hands on the back of your head. Your pelvis and spine ought to be in a neutral alignment. Your ribs should be down, and your pelvis should be somewhat tucked. Your lower back ought to be parallel to the ground. Activate your center. Throughout the movement, your chin should remain tucked, as if you were carrying an egg. This starting position should be used for all repetitions. Squeeze your abs to start the upward movement. Lift your right upper body side off the floor. Squeeze your abs and oblique while rotating your right elbow toward your left knee. At the peak of the motion, pause. As you slowly return to the beginning position, keep your abs tight. Crunch your left elbow toward your right knee as you perform the reps on one side or switch sides till the appropriate number of times. Exercise number 5. Side bends. Put your arms by your sides and stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Leaning to the left and stretching out the right side of your body, inhale and raise your right arm above your head. Return to the center as you exhale. Repeat on the other side. You can do 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Exercise number 6. Heel touch. Approximately 18 to 24 inches apart, place your feet flat on the floor while lying on your back with your knees bent. Put your arms out to your sides. Crunch forward toward your torso while lifting your shoulders just a little off the floor. Pull your navel in close to your spine. Touch your right heel with your right hand as you extend it toward your right ankle. Exhale after holding the contraction for a little moment. By switching sides between each repetition, repeat the motion with your left hand and left ankle. Squeezing your oblique muscles, do each representative slowly and deliberately. You can do 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Exercise number 7. Squat. You must stand with your feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider, pointed forward or slightly slanted out, and ready to perform squats. Maintain a flat back, a high chest and head, a neutral neck, and a braced core. When your thighs are parallel to the floor, push your hips back, flex your knees, and drop your body. To raise yourself up, equally press down with both of your heels and toes. Keep your knees and toes in line. Keep your knees from buckling. Remain centered on your heels. Keep your knees from crossing your toes. Maintain a raised, outward chest. Maintain a neutral spine. You can do 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health topics.